Again, our theme for this week is how to make money trading in October of our presidential election year. This came from a question from one of our BeachBum traders. It may have been MD, or someone can remind me who asked this question last week. But our theme, for the past couple weeks is how to make money trading in October, in the fall, etc. And one of our BeachBum traders asked specifically, how do the markets perform in October of a presidential election year? So I asked Chat GPT that question, how do the stock markets perform in October of a presidential election year? And we'll go over the answer. So I put the link to the answer in the notes document. So hopefully you can reference that and go over this answer in a little more detail. See if I can zoom it up a little bit. So again, how do the stock markets perform in October of election year? So it says historically, October in election year has been known for heightened volatility. Performance can vary significantly, but here's a few general trends and factors. So again, themes: increased volatility due to uncertainty around the election. Markets tend to react to the uncertainty, which candidate will win. Different policies, economic strategies can lead to significant market swings. Unexpected events, you'll hear them talk about October surprises. So someone comes out with something that's overly negative about one candidate or the other, that might significantly impact it, as they're noting the FBI announcement regarding Hillary Clinton emails caused a stir late in the month in the market. Again, polls, so polling data has the candidates, who's going to win, oscillates up and down. That may impact the markets. If a candidate favors certain industries, so as the probability one candidate or the other is going to win, that might impact those sectors. Also the party. Historically, the market preferred a particular party over the other. So as those polls oscillate, that may impact the markets as well. The incumbent advantage, so according to market analysis, and the incumbent party appears likely to win, market may remain relatively stable. Conversely, if it looks like the other party is going to win, might increase volatility. So again, as those probabilities oscillate, it may increase or decrease volatility. Historical data suggests that third and fourth years of presidential term are good for the markets. October, an election year, might reflect those broader trends. If the markets expect a favorable candidate to win, so again, the year of presidential election years tend to be positive. Again, the incumbents definitely wants to do everything to make sure the markets don't negative crash, etc., as that would hinder their chances of getting reelected. There's several historical examples of October, and I'll let you read those specific examples. And we've also got the October effect, and we've talked about the October effect. We've got videos about the October effect. Some of the most significant market crashes occur in October. So the anticipation of volatility, especially during an election year when uncertainty is already high. So again, we've got a number of factors for potential increases in volatility. Although we saw, the VIX had definitely dropped back down below 20. So right now, there's not a lot of volatility. So this might cause a significant spike if any of these changes occur. So in summary, October and election year can see heightened volatility as markets react to polling data, potential policy change, unexpected events. Actual performance may vary. So again, I hope that all helps, and I hope that answers the question as to how do the stock markets perform in October or presidential election year. Maybe next week or so we can look at how the month of November occurs after the presidential election. So again, whoever asked that question, please let me know if that answers it. Also, another, I asked Chat GPT and a script for a short video I hope to come out on this topic in the near future. And part of that answer was since 1952, there's been only one instance where the stock market ended negative for the month of October during the presidential election year. So again, the probability is very high that October will be positive. Again, we've seen in our previous discussions on October and the stock market performance, October tends to be positive. Even if we have one of these, crash events, it tends to bounce back very quickly. I do have another video where it talks about making money trading election years, and there's several references in the description box of that video to articles, so we'll give you more information about trading the various years of the election cycle, and also information about more information about trading during a presidential election year. Also wanted to mention some my ideas, some Trump trades and Harris trades. That might be positive or negative depending on who looks more probable to win at any given point. So you can take advantage of those swings. So again, we have ETFs, etc., that you can long or short these trade ideas. And if we have time, we'll take a look at some of those. But some of my ideas relative to Trump trades is be positive for oil and natural gas, particularly exploration, services, pipelines, possibly not so much as the spot price, as again, you get more supply. But again, some companies that may be positive for us, things like Exxon, Schlumberger, Halliburton, they provide exploration and services. Also, he's trying to position himself as the crypto candidate, so it has tended to be positive for Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. So again, that may be a positive. Negatives is companies with significant exposure to tariffs. So he's talking about slapping tariffs, particularly on things in China, things in Europe. So companies that will be negatively impacted by those tariffs could be any company importing from particularly China or Europe. Also, you could get retaliation. So if a company does a significant amount of business in China or Europe, if they retaliate and slap tariffs on those products, that could negatively impact that company's sales. So again, it's important to understand their exposure. Also, if they import a lot of parts, etc., produced in these companies, that may increase the price of their product. So again, there's a lot of different ways that these tariffs can negatively impact a company. So in my humble opinion, it's important to think about what the impact of these tariffs would be on any positions you hold, any positions you're looking to trade, if it looks like Trump may win. Now, on the other side, if Harris is positive, winning in the polls, wins, etc., might be positive for cannabis. Again, they've tried to position themselves as more the pro-cannabis party, be positive for clean energy like solar, etc. Also EVs, they've had a lot of tax credits for EVs. So again, that might be positive for those sectors. In my humble opinion, I think it would be negative for pharmaceuticals, drug manufacturers, and biotechs, as they have been putting price caps for Medicaid, etc., on the price that pharmaceutical companies can charge. And if the profit margins of pharmaceutical companies get squeezed, they're not going to be out buying, biotechs for billions of dollars, etc., and also would cap their potential profit from future drugs. So again, I think it would be negative for pharmaceuticals in general. I'd love to hear anybody else's ideas of what you think other sectors, industries, themes may be positive or negative based on, Trump trades or Harris trades. So again, put your ideas in the description box below. in our Discord, etc. So again, I don't like to be political, try to avoid being political, but specifically around trades that you think would be positive or negative for one candidate or another based on polling. And then once we know what the results of the election are, um, how we can trade and make money trading, both in October and going forward after the presidential election. Okay, so it was Ricky Khan that asked that question. So thank you again, Ricky. That was a good question. And I hope that answers the question. Again, we've also been talking about making money trading in October in general, so you can reference those discussions via the videos and the links, also the trends for the fall. So we also have links to those.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the Beach Bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish.
and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow Beach Bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.